My name is Edgar Rico, and I'm the chef and co-owner of Nixta.
I'm Sarah Mardanbigi, I'm the other owner.
This business got started in 2019. We just had a dream and an idea, and we thought we really had something unique and different to bring to the market.
He's been cooking since he's like 10 years old, just learning from all the matriarchs in his family. I grew up in an Iranian household. Both of my parents are from there, and I think for both of us, it was more or less the idea. We wanted to feel like you're walking into our house.
We're very conscious about where we're sourcing ingredients from. Today's dish we've prepared this is our cauliflower taco. It's just a little bit of roasted cauliflower. We roast it on the plancha really nice and hard until it has a really deep roast to it. Having some of that charred bitterness inside of the cauliflower that accents with some of the really zesty romesco sauce that goes on top. And then we just finish it off with some queso fresco on top, some pine nuts, and then a little bit of cilantro. Food is just as much, visually, as it is what it tastes. What is the canvas for what you're serving on? Like, what's your background gonna be, And with this tortilla warmer, it's just as much functional as it is beautiful.
It kind of transcends one type of genre, which is how our food is too.